Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am your Dr. Ravindran Kishore. In the previous video, we saw how to derive a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. Now, we will solve one of the equation using that formula. X plus 2 plus x plus 3 whole square minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3 whole square is equals to 4x square plus 64. Find x. So, solving this is very easy. We have two methods of solving. Applying the direct formula, if you can see here, you have a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You can directly apply the formula and solve the equation. If not, we can simplify this in a simple form. So this is the simple form. I will just reduce this into simple form, then solve it to make it easy. To reduce this, x plus 2 plus x plus 3 whole square. How did I just get this? This is very simple. I will just show you an example. A plus b plus p plus q. Any relationship with addition or subtraction, when I reduce it, when I remove the bracket, it can be easily written or derived something like this. When we have the relationship between a plus b and p plus q is multiplication. If the relationship is multiplication, we need to multiply these both. How am I multiplying this? I have explained you in the previous video. It is very simple. This with this, and this with this, and this with this, this with this. So, in this problem, we have the relationship as addition. So, I have simplified easily. So, I have removed the common brackets and I have simplified this. Similarly, doing this, I will get the same thing. X plus 2 minus x plus into minus is minus 3 whole square is equals to 4x square plus 64. Why I have written the right hand side? Because I am finding the x. So the question derives that need to find the x. So I have to write the left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. Solving this, we will solve this. It is very easy to solve this. So which is the variable we have? We have same variables of x and x. We have numericals of 2 and 3. So we have the relationship about the variables is addition. So if I add x plus x is how much? 2x. How did I get this? So x plus x is x plus x is equals to 2x. In the previous video, I have very clearly explained about this. X plus x is 2x. X into x is x square. This is very important. In all my problems, I will be explaining you with the basic terms so that you can understand easily. X plus x is 2x plus, the remaining is plus, I need to add the numerical. What happens to the numerical? 2 plus 3 is 5. So the whole square remains the same. See, I have simplified this into the simple form. Similarly, this minus remains the same. Plus x minus x. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. So, plus 3 minus 3. What happens? Plus 3 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square is equals to 4x square plus 64. So, if you want to know what is this plus minus or minus minus or what, how will I do plus into minus, you have no idea about basic things, comment me. I will be explaining you the basic terms in the next video. So, this is the derivations what we have got. So, solving this. Now, I have this in the form of a plus b whole square. So, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Because why did I just take in the form of a plus b whole square? Because this cannot be simplified in lower terms. Because I have already simplified it. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. And this will be written something like this. Let us solve this. Solving this, I will get, what is this? What is a here? A is equals to 2x. B is equals to 5. What is your a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So what is a square? 2x square plus 2a into b plus b square. I have reduced this into this. So I will keep this bracket as it is. To make you understand, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This minus remains the same. So I have to just minus 1 whole square. What is minus 1 whole square? How many minus 1 we have here? We have 2 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. What is minus 1 into minus 1? Minus into minus is plus 1. Plus 1, I have got the answer as plus 1. If I take it plus 1, minus into plus. So we have minus 1. Minus into plus is minus 1 is equals to 4x square plus 64. Simple derivation. Solving this, you will get the answer. How will I do it? What is 2x square? The square is for 2 and x. So I have to square for numerical and variable also. What happens? 2 square is 4. 4x square plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into x is 4x. What is 4x into 5 is? 5 4s are 20. That is 20x. I repeat, 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. The numerical has been multiplied and x is multiplied so that it is 20x. Solving this, I have got 20x plus, what is 5 square? We have 2 5s. What is the 5? 5 square, it is 5 5s is 25. So keep minus 1. So that I will remove this bracket here. So minus 1, I will keep this minus as it is. That is equals to, what is the right hand side? 4x square plus 64. Now solving this, we will find this. I am finding the x. If I want to find the x, I want my x to be on my right hand side or left hand side. So what will I do? I will bring all my right hand side towards my left hand side. If I bring numericals and variables towards my left hand side, what happens? Any equation, that is a plus b is equals to c. If I send this plus b that side, what happens? It becomes minus b. If I send this a plus b is equals to c, a plus b minus c. The plus c becomes minus c. This is the basic thing. If you want to know the basic equations, basic explanation, comment me on the video. I will be explaining here. So I will bring all my right hand side terms towards my left hand side. 20x plus, what is 25 minus 1 is? 24 minus 4x square minus 64. That is equals to 0. 4x square, if you can see, you have to check, you have to reduce. I am finding x. To reduce this, 4x square plus 4x square minus 4x square gets cancelled. The remaining terms are 20x plus 24 minus 64. See, I cannot solve this with any of the terms because I don't have any of the terms. But I can simplify this numericals. What is the numericals I have? That is plus 24 minus 64 is equals to minus 40. That is to plus 20x is equal, minus 40 is equals to 0. How did I get minus 40? That is plus minuses, I have to subtract and write the greater number sign. So I am written it as something like this. Now I am finding x. So if I want to find x, send this minus 40 towards your right hand side. If I send minus 40 towards your right hand side, what happens? That is equals to plus 40. Therefore, x is equals to plus 40. Send your 20 down, it goes to the denominator. 20. The answer is x is equals to 2. So this is the method of solving using the a plus b whole square formula, simplifying the equations. Now, in the next video, you will be solving on a plus b whole cube. Keep watching my channel. If any doubts, you can comment me on the video. I will be explaining you all the basics so that you can understand your examination part. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.